everybody! Welcome back to another Centrestage with you. We're back. Let's sing. Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white, clean and bright. You look happy to meet me. Blossom of snow, may you bloom and grow forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever. Oh, a fine wee lass, a bonny wee lass, is bonny wee Jeannie McCall. I gave her my mother's engagement ring and a bonny wee tartan shawl. I met her at a wedding in the Copenhagen to fall. I was the best man, she was the belle of the ball. Oh, the very first night I met her, she was awfully shy. The ring came pouring in, but she was happy and so was I. We ran like mad for shelter and we landed up the stair. The ring came pouring out my briefs, but I didn't care. She's a fine wee lass, a bonny wee lass, is bonny wee Jeannie McCall. I gave her my mother's engagement ring and a bonny wee tartan shawl. I met her at a wedding in the Copenhagen to fall. I was the best man, she was the belle of the ball. I love a lassie, a bonny, bonny lassie. She's as pure as the lily in the dell. She's as sweet as the heather, that bonny purple heather, Mary Glasgow's bluebell. Just a wee talking Doris, just a wee drop, that's all. Just a wee talking Doris, afore you gang along. There's a wee lady waiting in a wee button pen. If you can say it's a Broadway minlich, then it's alright, you can. If you can say it's a Broadway minlich, then you're alright, you can. I'm just come down from the Isle of Skye. I'm no very big and I'm awfully shy. The lassies shout as I go by, Donald, where's your trousers? Let the wind blow high, let the wind blow low. Through the streets in my kilt I go. All the lassies shout, hello! Donald, where's your trousers? A lassie took me to the ball, and it was slippery in the hall, and I was fearing that I would fall, for I had knee on my trousers. Let the wind blow high, let the wind blow low. Through the streets in my kilt I go. All the lassies shout, hello! Donald, where's your trousers? Holly bally bee, sitting on your mammy's knee, greeting for a wee bobby to buy some Coulter's candy. Mammy gave me a thrifty tune, here's old Coulter coming round. We a basket on his croon, selling the Coulter's candy. Holly bally bee, sitting on your mammy's knee, waiting for a wee bobby to buy some Coulter's candy. Oh, Hamilton Lock, I wish you were whiskey, Hamilton Lock, okay. Oh, Hamilton Lock, I wish you were whiskey, I would drink you dry. Now, Hamilton Lock is a wonderful place, but the price of the whiskey is grim. How nice it would be if the whiskey were free and the lock's filled up to the brim. Oh, Hamilton Lock, I wish you were whiskey, Hamilton Lock, okay. Oh, Hamilton Lock, I wish you were whiskey, I would drink you dry. I'd buy a yacht with the money I've got in it, anchor it out in the bay. If I wanted a nip, I'd go in for a dip, I'd be swimming by night and by day. Oh, Hamilton Lock, I wish you were whiskey, Hamilton Lock, okay. Oh, Hamilton Lock, I wish you were whiskey, I would drink you dry. But what if the boat should overturn and drown in the lock was I? You'd hear me shout, you'd hear me call out, what a wonderful way to die. Oh, Hamilton Lock, I wish you were whiskey, Hamilton Lock, okay. Oh, Hamilton Lock, I wish you were whiskey, I would drink you dry. Step gaily on we go, heel for heel and toe for toe, arm in arm and row, off on Mary's wedding. Over hill we ways up and down, Myrtle Green and Brackenbryn, half the shilling through the town, all for sake of Mary. Step gaily on we go, heel for heel and toe for toe, arm in arm and row, off for Mary's wedding. Would you stop your tickling joke? Would you stop your tickling joke? Daddy make me laugh so hearty, or you'll make me choke. Oh, I wish you'd stop your nonsense. Look at all these folk. Will you stop your tickling, tickle-a-lickle-and stop your tickling joke? And hark, when the night is falling, hear the pipes are calling loudly and proudly crawling down through the glen. There where the hills are sleeping now, feel the blood a-leaping high as the spirits of the old Highlandmen. Towering in gallant fame, Scotland a mounting hame, high may a proud standards gloriously wave. Land o'er the high endeavour, land o'er the shining river, land on my heart forever, Scotland the brave. Roaming and gloaming by the bonny banks of Clyde, roaming in the gloaming wi' a lassie by my side. When the sun has gone to rest, that's the time that I love best. Oh, it's lovely roaming in the gloaming, oh, roaming in the gloaming by the bonny banks of Clyde, roaming in the gloaming wi' a lassie by my side. When the sun has gone to rest, that's the time that I love best. Oh, it's lovely roaming in the gloaming. Hello, hello, who's your lady friend? Who's the little girlie by your side? I've seen you with a girl or two. Oh, 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 I am surprised at you. Hello, hello, stop your little games. Don't you think your ways you want to mend? It isn't the girl I saw you with at Brighton. Who's your lady friend? Goodbye, goodbye. Wipe the tear, baby tear, from your eye. Though it's hard to part, I know. I'll be tickled to death to go. Don't cry, don't sigh. There's a silver lining in the sky. Bonsoir, old thing, cheerio, chin chin, na poo, toodaloo, goodbye. In Dublin's fair city, where the girls are so pretty, I first set my eyes on sweet Molly Malone. She wheeled her wheelbarrow through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. She was a fishmonger, and that was the wonder. Her mother and father were fishmongers too. They wheeled their wheelbarrows through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. I've been a world roamer for many a year, and I've spent all my money on whiskey and beer, and now I'm returning with money in store, and I never will play the Wild Rover no more, and it's no nay never, no nay never no more, and I'll play the Wild Rover no never no more. I went to an alehouse I used to frequent, and I told the landlady me money was spent. I asked her for credit, the answer was nay. Such a custom as yours I can find any day, and it's no nay never, no nay never no more, and I'll play the Wild Rover no never no more. Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen, hands down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the roses falling. 'Tis you, must go and I must bide. But come ye back when summer's in the meadow, or when the valley's hushed and white with snow. 'Tis I'll be here in sunshine or in shadow. Oh, Danny boy, I love you so. Oh, Danny boy, I love you so. Don't bring a frown to old Broadway. You've got a clown on Broadway. Your troubles there are out of style, for Broadway always wears a smile. A million hearts beat quicker there, a million lights they flicker there. No clouds of grey on that great white way, that's the Broadway melody. Gotta dance, 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 gotta dance. Broadway rhythm, it's got me, everybody dance. Broadway rhythm, it's got me, everybody dance. Out on the great white way, in each merry cafe, orchestras play, taking your breath away. With the Broadway rhythm, it's got me, everybody sing and dance. Oh, that Broadway rhythm. Oh, that Broadway rhythm. When I hear that happy seat, feel like dancing down the street to that Broadway rhythm, rhyming, beating rhythm. Gotta dance, gotta dance, gotta dance, gotta dance. In my imagination, I searched for starlit sky so bright. In my imagination, there I saw you in the night. And on the day I found you, how could I help but realize my lucky star was smiling right there before my very eyes. You are my lucky star. I saw you from afar. Two lovely eyes at me, they were gleaming, beaming. I was starstruck. You're all my lucky charms. I'm lucky in your arms. You've opened heaven's portal here on earth for this poor mortal. You are my lucky star. Life was a song, you came along. I played awake the whole night through. If I but dared to think you cared, this is what I'd say to you. You were meant for me. and you, and when she was done, you were all the sweet things rolled in one. You're like a plaintive melody that never lets me free. But I'm content, the angels must have sent you, and they meant you just for me. You stepped out of a dream. You are too wonderful to be what you seem. Could there be eyes like yours? Could there be lips like yours? Could there be smiles like yours? Honest and truly, you stepped out of a cloud. I want to take you away, away from the crowd, and have you all to myself, alone and apart, out of a dream, safe in my heart. Beautiful girl, you're a lovely picture, beautiful girl. You're a gorgeous mixture of all that lies under the big blue skies. My heart cries, beautiful girl. You're a dazzling, wakeful, beautiful girl. I could never trifle if I had you. You'd be my dream come true. There may be blondes and brunettes that are hard to resist. You'd suppress me like a queen. You've got those lips that were meant to be kissed, and you're over sweet 16. Oh, beautiful girl, what a gorgeous creature, beautiful girl. Let me call the preacher, what can I do but give my heart to you? Good morning, we've danced the whole night through. Good morning to you and you and you and you. Good morning, it's great to stay up late. Good morning to you. When the band began to play, the stars were shining bright. Now the milkman's on his way, it's too late to say goodnight. So say good morning, sunbeams will soon shine through. Good morning to you. Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. Moses, his noses, his toes aren't roses. His Moses supposes his toes to be Moses. Eeny, meeny, miny, Moses. As Moses supposes his toes to be roses, 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 roses. But Moses supposes his toes it couldn't be a lily or a daffodil. It's gotta be a rose, 'cause it rhymes with Mose. Make 'em laugh, don't you know everyone loves to laugh? My dad said be an actor, my son, but be a comic or one day I'll be standing in line for those old talkie-talk monkey shines. Or you can study Shakespeare and be quite elite, or you can drown the critics and have nothing to eat, but slip on a banana peel the rolls at your feet. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds. on from the place. Come on with the rain. I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing and dancing in the rain. Well, thank you very much for joining me today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I certainly did. The Northern Lights of old Aberdeen mean home, sweet home to me. The Northern Lights of Aberdeen are what I long to see. I've been a wanderer all of my life, and many a sight I've seen. But sweet the day when I'm on my way to my home in Aberdeen. Over no I want to bide over no I want to leave, over no I want to bide while I come back and see. Over no I want to bide over no I want to leave, over no I want to bide while I come back and see. Thank you very much, everybody. We'll see you next week.